today we're going to make a recipe. It's a mug bread pudding with chocolate chips. So let's begin. So first of all, we're going to be using a clear mug, which is microwavable, and I have here 200 ml of milk. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of custard powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to now just whisk this together. Okay, that looks nicely mixed up. So I'm going to add some chocolate chips at the bottom. Then I'm going to pour in the mixture. So I've cut some bread in some square pieces, so we're just going to dip these in. Slowly let them start soaking in. So with a spoon, just start to push, just very, very gently. Then we're going to add some more chocolate chips. Then more of the bread. So I've used about 2 slices of just normal white bread. I'm going to add some more chocolate chips for the top. I'm going to pop this in the microwave for about a minute. So our mug bread pudding with chocolate chips is now ready. Hope you guys give it a try. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. And thanks guys for watching.